All right, there's two things I want to show you here. Number one, our spot cleaner. When you shake it up, it doesn't suds or foam up. That's the most important thing about the spot cleaner. So there's no soapy residue. Second thing I want to show you is how well it works. Nothing's been done to this spot that I'm aware of. I've just arrived on this job here, and if you have pets, then this is a fairly common appearance, are accidents or pee spots. So all I'm going to do is just hit them with the spot cleaner, and as you can see, the spot cleaner just neutralizes the spot and it goes away. Now, obviously, a lot of spot cleaners might work this well, but they are typically soapy or foamy, so you're going to be stuck with a sticky residue, so it will turn black or brown. And like I said, our product is manufactured specifically for pet owners. I'm not going to do all these little spots over here because I've got a big 4-gallon backpack sprayer I'm going to use for this here, because this will take all day if I use little 32-ounce trigger sprayer. But I just wanted you to see the spot we did here real quick. I will blot it with a microfiber towel, which is the best thing to use. It's very absorbent. And now you just have a damp spot from the spot cleaner and no more pee. So that's how well our product works. We do sell our product. It is available for sale. So if you're interested, give us a call or shoot us an email, 404-500-9853. It's also available for purchase online.